Cat. Laughing out loud. Oh, sorry to hear. Dog. I got an outfit for you to wear. It's my dog dad's old 1932 jockey. When he won every bodybuilding contest he entered. It's really a lucky jockey, half serious and smiling. Cat. Really? Cat grabbed that jockey, smelling full of Old Spice, and fitted in it, and she was very pleased with it. Dog. You only need to walk on a ramp and show your body. Cat. Nice. I'll show them the butterfly move. Dog. Sweet. Cat. Cat walked on the ramp, almost breaking a leg. She first sprang in the air to show off her body. Meanwhile, there was bees nearby, and another bodybuilder picked her up, and the bees chased her right into the river where she fell on her head. Dog. What happened, my friend? Cat. I almost got stinged. And yeah, I made a note here. Let me show you. I don't know if I can film this thing. But I made a note here. Sure. This is not my original notes. Yeah. It says there in Afrikaans kan nie verder skryf nie. And the reason for that is at the time in 2013 I got so overwhelmed creatively. My mind just, I think this happens more than often. Your mind gets cluttered by lots of creative stuff, and then you just write something and it just stays there, and then you just leave it, and one day maybe come back to it, maybe hoping to improve on it. So yeah, this is part 2 of the cartoonish story of Cat and Dog. I hope you enjoy it. Please like this video and my videos, and follow, and please go to my YouTube channel. It's called Roy Art Rooms on YouTube. Please subscribe, please like my videos and share my videos. I do have a lot of stories and poetry from over the years and recently that I want to put out there to the world and leave my legacy of writing when I'm no longer here. So yeah, it started in 2012, which I started to take it seriously up until now, and I'm just now just building on it, building on my legacy as a writer, as a poet. Yeah, thank you very much for watching this far, and I hope you have a good day. Please like, follow, subscribe, and share my channel. Like me on Facebook with my name, Chandru Roy. It is spelled JUANDREUROI. Thank you.